Is that a CSL? Looks like a CSL. Look at those arches. GTR hood. Ah, there's intercooler. What's going on there? Oh, hello. There's a 1JZGTE-VVTI turbo. I wonder how that got in there. All jokes aside, this is a compact. The wheels aren't on. The wheels are here. And I'll fill that out. Now, even the rear arches, I don't know if you can tell, but even they're done. So it kind of blends in nicely. Now, the interior in this is really nice. It's missing a trim piece, don't know why. But yeah, full red leather interior. Still got a 4-spoke. But this is a sweet car. And this is the wife's actually. So it's her shopping cart. Everything works. It's got that 1JZ sound, you know the one. Oh, the seats are lovely. Not quite as lovely as the Recaros I got in the E30, but lovely nonetheless. Yes, it's got a sunroof and it actually works. Can you believe it? Yes, this is a great car. Yep, even got the mirrors. A little bit dirty, but they're got the blue tint. How do I open it? There we go. Hang on a minute. Okay, I think I need to sort that out. Yeah, there's a lot of crap in here at the moment. But it is a big boot. That's why I got it. It is a hatchback. But I kept it as discreet as possible, so you've got those little twin pipes there. No badger. I guess I'll put 325, because I mean, that is what it is, right? It's a 2.5. Now, the engine is completely standard, and it put close to 290 at the wheels. Standard. There's no tune. It's all running off the BMW ECU. That's why everything works so easily. So yeah, completely bone standard 1JZ with just an intercooling exhaust. It's making 290 at the wheels. So they underrate these like you wouldn't believe. And then this is in Thailand with a Thai dyno, which aren't like US numbers or UK numbers. They tend to read lower here. You know, you've got the heat, etc. So the 1JZ is really underrated. Very much so. And I cannot sing their praises enough, because there's just no lag. They just go. Because the single turbo it's not small, but it's fairly large. But they just go. I mean, it's not, you know, instant like that, but it's kind of like a Golf GTI. You know, it's just, yeah, is it a turbo? You know, you kind of question yourself. It is almost NA. So yeah, it's great. And you've got that sweet straight six, rear wheel drive. It's a great platform. And interestingly, the whole back end is E30. They're basically the same, but the whole front is E36. So you get slightly superior handling from the E30. But you still retain that feel of the E30 as well from the back end. And now a lot of people criticised that when it came out, but I like it. I've driven this when it was standard, and I really, really enjoyed it. It's a great car, very overlooked, and it's a handsome-looking thing too. Now, it's a bit of an oddball, I know, because CSL Compact E36, CSL. It kind of works, right? It doesn't look like someone chopped together something. It almost kind of looks like it came from the factory, almost. Yeah, it does. It looks like a compact M, which it kind of is in a way. But yeah, so really, the front end is GTR with the wings, got the CSL bumper. I'm going to get the intercooler done black, so it's very discreet. The intercooler is huge, by the way. I never mess around with cooling, especially in Thailand, because it's so hot. I take it outside and I don't want to go outside. It's hot enough in here. But yep. So that's the Mrs.'s car, and it's 90% done. That is closer to completion than that. This is almost fully buttoned out. So I'm really looking forward to getting that. That's Alon, who works here. That's his Toyota Cressida with a 1JZ, and that's got like 500 horsepower, but it's all very discreet. It's got a max ECU, and he's manual. That's his Evo. It's still building. This thing is completely insane. That is not an Alpina, but it does have a 2.5. It's a buddy of mine's E46 2JZ. That is a Escort that's getting a UZ. And I guess I'm going to have to show you around. They've just opened up here. They just moved from another warehouse. I only come to these guys because tire mechanics, you just can't trust them. But these guys are really, really good. So that's a 2JZ. That's his Evo engine. And oh, hello. What is this? Yes. The Toyota Century V12. Look there. Beautiful fuel rails. Now, it's a big engine. All of this is the intake side from that engine. All of this. And that was the on top, the cover. And all of that is just to keep it quiet and smooth, and obviously keep the power down, because it's a 5-litre V12 and officially makes 280 horsepower. So all that is gone. I've got some other Century stuff in there. And the wiring harness is so big, it fills up the entirety of a car that's somewhere around here. It's ridiculous. The auto box in this is the same as like a 2JZ, but it's got a massive bell housing. So we're speculating that maybe this is the strongest A340 auto. Speculating. Don't know. Don't know what I'm doing with it yet. Going NA, it's going to have equal length headers or turbo, and then build the engine. Not sure. But we'll see. Here's another 1UZ, and again, you look at it and you think, oh yeah, it's the old one. And there's the round rails. Do not buy a round rail 1UZ, okay? So there you go. 2 videos where I've warned you. But yeah. Alright guys, it's me. I'm boiling hot, and I'm going into the aircon and have a chat with the guys. And I have some exciting news to share with you soon about here and me. And yeah, we'll go into that. Everything's all kind of buttoned down. But yep, please like, share, subscribe. Said it previously, but 90% of you aren't subscribed. I've got a baby girl, just born. It really helps a lot. You don't get a lot of ad revenue, especially when you're just below 10,000 subs. But I really would appreciate it, guys. So yeah, please leave a comment. Anything you want to see or for me to do, let me know. And yeah, until next time. Goodbye.